Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about eubacteria's nutrition and their reproduction. And in the previous video, we have discussed about the eubacteria's characteristic and their cell structure and their pigments. Come with me and study about the eubacteria's nutrition. Mostly, they are autotrophs. They contain chlorophyll A and other photosynthetic pigments. Now, the reproduction. In the eubacterias, reproduction is multiply asexually and vegetatively. Sexual reproduction does not occur in the eubacteria. There is a types of multiplication of eubacterias. First is the binary fission and second is the fragmentation. Binary fission means it is occurs in the unicellular form and cell divided and nucleus also divided in the one cell. One cell is divided with their nucleus. Two new cells are formed. This process is known as the binary fission. And fragmentation. Fragmentation occurs in the colonial form and fragment form. मतलब क्या कि अगर यूबैक्टीरिया कॉलोनियल फॉर्म में है तो फ्रेगमेंटेशन होगा, अलग अलग निकल करके जाएंगे और इनका रिप्रोडक्शन होगा. एंड स्मॉल सेगमेंट ऑफ फ्रेगमेंट इज नोन एज द हार्मोगोनिया. स्मॉल फ्रेगमेंट, इट्स सेगमेंट इज नोन एज हार्मोगोनिया. नाउ types of asexual reproduction in the eubacteria. First is the endospore, second is the exospore and third is the echinoid. In the endospore, these are spores produced endogenously within a vegetative cell. Endogenously मतलब जो inner cells होंगी उनसे अगर reproduction होता है तो ये endogenous कहलाता है. Exospores में क्या होता है? These are exogenously produced spores. Outer layer, outer cell से जो भी reproduction होगा वो exogenously कहलाता है. Echinoids, these are the thick wall spores. Echinoids क्या है? ये एक thick wall spores हैं that also have food material stored in them. जो क्या करते हैं? अपने अंदर food material को store करके रखते हैं. Now, next point is the uses of cyanobacteria. What is the uses of cyanobacteria? Ability to fix nitrogen by atmosphere, its first use. And second is the cyanobacteria anabina help prevent soil erosion. Third, spirulina is a protein-rich supplement of human. Harmful effect of cyanobacteria. Discolor the wall and roofs of building. क्या करता है? घरों की, बिल्डिंग्स की छतों को और दीवारों को जो डिस्कलर करता है, आपके पेंट्स को जो उतारता है, वो कौन होता है? वो होता है साइनोबैक्टीरिया. फिर ऑस्किलेट्रिया causes asthma and gastrointestinal problem in the human. Third, excessive growth cyanobacteria shows water blooms which decreases oxygen level in water which causes the death of aquatic animals. cyanobacteria कभी कभी क्या करता है? पानी के ऊपर लेयर बना देता है जिससे क्या होता है? पूरे ब्लूम्स हो जाते हैं वाटर के ऊपर और ऑक्सीजन का जो लेवल होता है वो धीरे धीरे डिक्रीज़ होना शुरू हो जाता है जिससे जो एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स हैं, फिश वगैरह, उनकी डेथ होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. Next point is mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is organism completely like the cell wall. It is discovered by Rox in 1898 in fluid of cattle suffering from pleuropneumonia. The organism also called PPLOs, यानी mycoplasma जो है वो PPLOs के नाम से भी जाना जाता है और एग्जामिनेशन में अधिकतर PPLOs पर ही शॉर्ट नोट लिखने के लिए आता है. Come on the characteristic of mycoplasma. These are smallest 0.5 to 0.1 to 0.5 mu meter. Free living They are so small that they can easily pass through bacteria proof filter. इतने छोटे होते हैं कि जो बैक्टीरिया प्रूफ फिल्टर्स होते हैं उनको भी ये पार कर जाते हैं. फिर occurs saprophytically in the soil, sewage, water, and they are unicellular. Mycoplasma possesses heterotrophic nutrition. They causes pleuropneumonia in the domestic animals and mycoplasmial urethritis in the human. Last point is they can survive without oxygen. This topic is cyanobacteria, and thank you for this watching video.